Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure both your Hey TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once done, power on the TV and open settings to enable screen mirroring or mirrorcast. Some models list it as cast. Make sure mobile hotspot is off to avoid network conflicts. If the TV asks to update firmware, allow it now because compatibility issues commonly block mirroring. This step prevents connection failures later. Next, on your phone, swipe down for quick settings or open display settings and tap cast or screen mirroring. Your Hey TV should appear in the list. Tap it to begin pairing. If nothing appears, make the TV discoverable from its home network screen mirroring screen. When prompted on the TV, accept the pairing request. This authorizes the connection and prevents unwanted access. Once connected, your phone screen will be sent to the TV with low latency for video or presentations. To finish, stop casting from your phone or select disconnect on the Hey TV. This ends streaming cleanly. If video stutters or disconnects, try switching the router band between 2, 4 and 5 GHz because interference and range differences affect performance. Make sure both devices remain on the same band. If problems persist, restart the TV, phone, and router to clear caches. This simple reboot often resolves stubborn pairing or network issues and restores reliable mirroring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.